Hey there, fellow content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing strategy that's going to take your content to the next level. I'm your name, and in this video, we're going to explore how to supercharge your keyword research using the incredible power of ChatGPT. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of boosting your online presence, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about why keywords are the backbone of successful online content. Whether you are a blogger, YouTuber, or a business owner, the right keywords can make or break your online visibility. Imagine this, you've put your heart and soul into creating a fantastic piece of content, but without the right keywords, it's like having a masterpiece hidden in a locked room. Keywords are the keys that unlock the doors to your content, making it discoverable to your target audience. Now, you might be wondering, how can ChatGPT help me with keyword research? Well, buckle up, because we're about to show you the magic. ChatGPT is an AI language model that's like having a genius friend who knows all the ins and outs of keyword research. It can generate a wide range of relevant keywords based on just a simple prompt from you. Whether you are looking for long-tail keywords, trending phrases, or even niche-specific terms, ChatGPT's got your back. It's like having a crystal ball that predicts exactly what your audience is searching for. Alright, let's get practical. Here's how you can harness the power of ChatGPT for your keyword research. Step 1. Frame your topic. Begin by providing ChatGPT with a brief description of your content's topic. Keep it concise but clear. Step 2. Specify your audience. Let ChatGPT know who your target audience is. Are they fitness enthusiasts, busy moms, or tech-savvy millennials? Step 3. Let ChatGPT work its magic. Sit back as ChatGPT generates a list of potential keywords related to your topic and audience. But wait, we're not done yet. Keyword research is an art, and you're the artist shaping your masterpiece. Let's talk about refining your keyword selection. Start by selecting keywords that align closely with your content's purpose. Look for a mix of high-volume keywords for visibility and more specific, lower competition keywords for targeting. Remember, it's not just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about weaving them naturally to create valuable and engaging content for your audience.